The R statistical programming language is powerful and it's free. R is the base package that you work off of, or the program, and really where you do all of the coding and work is RStudio. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how to download both of these, again, for free and pretty straightforward. First of all, I'm going to head over. If you put in R-CRAN, that's a good way to get started. I'm a Mac user, so I'm going to download R for Mac, but if you're a Windows user, you can just as easily click the Windows link. Don't freak out if your version isn't exactly the same as the one that I'm downloading, because they update every several months. Now I have downloaded R and I just have to install it, which is pretty standard fare. No big surprises. That was R, and if I just head on over and press R, search for R, I now have access to the program. This is really not where you tend to do most of your coding. I just wanted to show it to you this one time, but this is where all of the work technically happens. Let's head over to RStudio, because that really is where you do the work with the program. Just RStudio download, RStudio desktop. Install RStudio. I did that just by scrolling down. Notice I could just head right down and install R and install RStudio off of this same website. That's really neither here nor there, just so long as you download both of them and that you download R first. Then I will run the installer. And lo and behold, RStudio is there waiting for me. When you are working with any kind of code in R, really RStudio is the way to go. There you have it.